Hey everybody, it's Mozzie. Thank you again for watching one of my videos. If you're new, I hope you enjoy the show. For today, we're going to do a quick little maintenance for my 4Runner. And what we're going to do, we're going to change the windshield wipers. But there's a little trick. Did you know that Toyota sells windshield wiper inserts? So instead of buying a whole new windshield wiper, paying crazy amount of money, all you have to do is buy a little insert from Toyota. And it only works on Toyota windshield wipers. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. All right, so here we have the windshield wiper. You need some kind of plastic or something flat to flip this up. I'm going to use my nail. Hopefully I don't break my nail. There we go. Flip up. And now inside here, there's like a little hook. So you have to push down towards the windshield, but hold this up so it doesn't come flying into the windshield and pops open, see? And then what I like to do, see how this little hook in here? And now what I like to do is take a little piece of cloth or something, take it, and put it down the windshield so this way it doesn't fly open and crack the windshield. All right, so here we have the Toyota windshield wiper that I just took off from the driver's side. This insert goes only into the Toyota windshield wiper. So if you have aftermarket, you could buy this part from Toyota. It's a little expensive, but the inserts are so much cheaper than buying a whole new thing. Even aftermarket is so much cheaper. So let me show you how this works. So you have here, one end is like this. It seems like a little catch system here. I don't know what's it called. But the other end, it looks all open. So what we're going to do is, we're going to grab it from this end and pull it out this way, okay? So what we want to do is want to grab this little piece of metal in here and pull it out that way. This way. Where's a little more meat I can grab? There we go. See the piece of metal? And you want to make sure, because it has little grooves inside, so you don't want to lose that orientation. You want to keep pulling it out. And there you go. All right. So now, when you take it out, as we do it is like that. See how it has the arcs? You want to keep it the same way. So how I want to do is, I'm just going to keep my hand like this, so it keeps everything the same way. Put out the old one. See how it has this natural bend? You want to keep that bend. And you want to keep, insert here. Okay, good. Well, maybe I'll do one at a time. Let's see. One at a time worked. So let's see if it. Hold on now. Make sure they have the same bend. And here we go. Just one at a time worked for me. So now what we're going to do is, how I took it out this way before. I'm going to put it back the same way. Put these grooves in here into this little rubber groove right there. All right. Go just like that. So I can do it on camera here. And another groove, slowly. And then another groove. And another groove. And keep going. Make sure it's inside all. Yep, inside all. Okay. And the final groove. Final little piece here. All right. So now, it's not in all the way because this has to lock in to this little piece. So we're going to pull it from the other side until we feel like a little, I guess, a little pop or a little tightness just pop in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this a little tight and popped in. Boom. There we go. And that's it. The whole windshield wiper. Now you have a new windshield wiper insert. So let's put the windshield wiper back on. So first you want to prepare it. Make sure this little piece is up. All right. Lift it up. Don't let this part go. There's like a little hook here. So I'm going to insert this hook flat here. All right. So I just wiggle it, popped right in. And then I'm going to push the windshield wiper up. Popped in. And then lock it in place. And that's it. Done. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing on the passenger side. And once I'm done, let's go to the rear windshield wiper. Turn on your windshield wiper. And turn it off somewhere in the middle. Turn off the car. So now the windshield wiper is stuck. And then this one's little a little different. You have to pull it back out towards you and pull out from the bottom. And it should pop right off. There you go. It has a different hook. So you can see it. A different hook. Push down. What we're going to do is push it up. Push it up. See, this one doesn't have little heads. Nothing. Doesn't matter which side you pull up. So you pull up. Same thing. Just has the metal rods. So pull out 2 metal rods. These metal rods, they don't have any special connection, but they still have a very slight bend. So you want to keep that order. Same thing here. Some people can do it too. I can do it one at a time. That's how it works for me. Insert here. Put the other one inside here. Okay, stay there. And done. Doesn't matter how you put it in. I'm gonna put it inside this little groove right there. So put that in there. And just work it all the way to there. That's it. Okay. That's it. I'm done. See? Same thing now. Take this. There's this little tab here. I'm gonna put that inside the hole here. Upwards. Pops in, and then press in, and it's popped in. That's it, done. All right, guys. That was a quick way to save some money. Instead of spending a whole bunch of money on windshield wipers, you just can buy the windshield inserts for the Toyota windshield wipers. Keeps the windshield clean from scratches. So take care. Till next time.